Welcome to Digital Mantra. In today's video we are going to learn about how to make chains. Like I will tell you about like girls wear in their hands, like chains, bracelets. So we are going to making bracelets by using simple features and simple shapes like a cylinder, like box, and by using simple features and applications which are present, and it is very handy for us. So let's begin. First of all, take a box, reduce the size to 2 mm, keep it 2 mm. Okay, so now first of all we will remove, we will make it a hollow square. So duplicate it, reduce the size and change it to hole. Change the internal square part to hole and then group it. So we will have this type of structure. So making a chain out of it, first of all we will make it 90 degree to the plane. So here we have 90 degree. Then we will tilt it little bit on the back side by 10 degree or 12 degree will be sufficient. Okay, so we have this type of structure and we will duplicate it again, then drag it on the sideways, then once again mirror this square we have created in the horizontal plane. So we have this type of structure. Now select both of them and create duplicate, rotate it by a small amount. So we have this type of structure, and then mirror this. Don't uncheck the selected part, click on mirror and mirror in the upside part. So you will have this type of structure. Then continue clicking duplicate, then you will get this type of structure. So this type of structure will form. So here you can see every part is joined with other part in a chain manner. Now you can group it or you can give it a color. So I am giving blue to it, so it will look shiny. And by using D, select all of them and put it on the work plane. So till this we are done. Now we will make a system. Reduce the height to 2 mm and then first of all make the side 64 so that we will get a finished surface here, and then create a duplicate, make it smaller, make it a hole, then group it, then rotate it by 90 degree in the front plane and tilt it by some amount like 12 to 13 degrees. Then duplicate it, drag it in the front direction and then mirror it in the horizontal direction. And now what we can do, we will select both of them, click on duplicate, rotate by some amount, and then what we are going to do, once again we will mirror it in the vertical angle. So we have this type of structure. Then we will keep clicking Ctrl D, so you will find this type of structure here. You can see a gold type of chain. We have kept the color as gold. So you will find this type of structure. With the help of this also you can also make the symbol of Audi supercar, or till this we can say that yes, it is good. And now I'll be making a simple but not like it's very beautiful. We will make this thing. First of all, rotate it by 90 degree in the front plane by 90 degree, and then duplicate it, take it in the front direction, mirror it in the horizontal, then select both of them, duplicate it, rotate in horizontal, then keep clicking on Ctrl D, so you will find this type of figure. So we have this type of figure here. By select all of them, we will first of all reduce the size little bit because it is very big. Then we will drag it. Wait a minute. We will drag it inside. So this type of figure we have formed here. So in this video we have learned about how to make a chain with the help of simple structure and simple mirror function by using mirror function. So tell me in the comments that in the next video what type of figure you want to see, what type of modeling you want to see. So till then, please like, share and subscribe. Keep learning. Be healthy. Okay.